you're a professional?
Are you?
That's it, Clark. Show 'em who's boss.
Oh, we're all in this together.
Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to the Clark Griswold YouTube channel. I am Mr. Clark Griswold. If you are a first timer, then welcome. And don't forget to subscribe down below. Hit that subscribe button and hit the bell. That bell will give you the notifications for when I send out videos just like this every day for our daily setups. I send out weekly setups, monthly swing setups, informational, motivational, learning tools, all kinds of other videos. You can ask the people who have already subscribed. I'm approaching 200, so thank you guys for that. Appreciate it. So let's get started for our watch list for Wednesday, March 30th. There aren't a lot of plays. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get a top 5 out to you guys tonight. I've got a recording studio session with my daughter. It's her first one. She's super excited, so we are off to that shortly. But let's go through these 15 plays or so, and if I can get a top 5 out to you later tonight, I will surely do so. Okay, if you like the videos, give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. If you think they suck, then give me a thumbs down and let me know why so I can help you guys out by improving the videos, okay? Here we go. JP Morgan is number 1, and I'm going to tell you there's a lot of banks on here, and there's a lot of reversals to the downside that are on here, or at least setups for that, okay? So JP Morgan is the first one. We had a 2 up that finished red, so we can look for puts on this one at $140.26. Okay, that's on JP Morgan Chase. XOP is the S&P or the Spider S&P Oil and Gas ETF. So we had a 2 down that finished green. We have calls we can take at 135.31. The time frame continuity is all green, all to the upside. You can find this indicator here in your indicator tab, time frame continuity, and the author is Board Rider B. This is just one of the things I like to see. Gives us more probability that the trade is likely to go in our favor for a reversal to the upside. The other thing I like to see but don't need is this 2 down. It can be red and still reverse. Just the probability that if it's green, it gives us higher probability that it will reverse. Okay, next is BAC, Bank of America, 2 up that finished red. So we can look for puts on this one at $43.11. And if we're looking for targets, guys, it's very simple. We just take the preceding wicks, okay? That's all we're doing. So those become our targets, our pivot points, our magnitude, where the bulls have their stop losses. If we're coming to the upside, it's where the bears will have their stop losses, okay? So next up, we've got BAB is BABA, Alibaba Group. 2 up that finished red. We can look for puts on this one at 115.74. BIDU has a 2 up that finished red, so we can look for puts again at 147.21. Carnival Cruise Lines is CCL. We have a 2 up that finished red. We also have this gap that could possibly get filled, so we will look for puts at 19.67. GS Goldman Sachs, 2 up that finished red. We'll look for puts at $336.73. IBM, 2 up that's red. We can look for puts at 130.43. MS is Morgan Stanley, 2 up that finished red. Okay, the day and the week are also red here. Okay, so we can look for puts again at 91.04. Pinterest, I believe, had an outside bar. It does. So an outside bar breaks the high and the low of the previous candle, okay? So we can take calls on this one at 26.81. That's our trigger right here, this yellow line. And if we break that, we're in for calls. If we break the low side of this outside bar candle, we're taking puts, and the trigger there is 25.46. So once we hit that, we're in the play. If you don't have automated trading, you're going to have to pay attention to that and watch that, okay? TD Bank, I wasn't going to put this one on here, but we can leave it on. We have a 2 up again that finished red. It's, again, another bank play They all did the same thing today. So we can look for puts again at $80.94 on TD. Once again, we have another bank. It's the day of the banks tomorrow. It looks like Wells Fargo, 2 up that finished red. I'm going to move this line down just a tad. We're going to look for puts on Wells Fargo at $51.54. We got another one here, Pfizer, PFE, 2 up that finished red again. We can take puts on this one at $52.56. Guys, those are the 15 or 16 plays that I have for you. Like I said, I'll try and get you a top 5 out tonight. Might be later tonight, much later. So you may have to look at it in the morning, depending on your time zone. But I will try and get it out to you guys. I hope you guys did awesome today in trading. I know I did in the morning anyways. Took 2 SPY trades, reversal on the orb, and then I took the first 30 and 30. If you haven't seen that video, you can check it out. 30 and 30 video. It'll show you how to trade reversals on the 30-minute chart. Okay, I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. And until the next one, guys, bye-bye.